What's up, YouTube? We're here in King's Garage. This is episode number 2 for Project Supra. This is just to bring you an update and let you know how things are going along. We've updated a few things from the last video. So we got the Supra over here. The last time I believe it was outside, it was just a roller. So we got most of the body put together. We got the Grady style carbon fiber lip. We got new headlights on it. All new amber signals. The corners. Everything's been freshed up. Everything's looking brand new. Car still needs a buff once it's done, but she's looking great. We got, let's open up here, see what we got. We got all the subframe in, all the suspension in, all that was freshed up. All brand new bolts, all brand new hardware. We got the body harness in, most of the accessories, brake master, clutch master, AC lines, fuse boxes, basic stuff, original stuff from the car that we cleaned up and refurbished it and put it back in. We got the Works East wheels on with the brakes. The brakes were off SRT8 Cherokee, I believe. ISF rotors, that's that kit that they're doing now. We got the HKS coilovers in, street versions, all factory Toyota Aero. Nothing aftermarket, all factory stuff. The fitment on it is just stupid. It's perfect, perfect fitment. We got all the body gaps lined up. Everything's looking nice and tight. We got the new door panels in. We got these redone, rewrapped. Everything here has been all redone. The switch panels been redone. The speaker grills, those got dyed. We got the dash is looking brand new. We got all the trim. We repainted it. Got the suede headliner in. Let's see if you guys can check this out. Yeah, right there. Yeah, so we got the suede in. Looking awesome. We got the 2-door panels in. I ordered a new e-brake because this one, it's not Le Flesh. Oh, we also got the ETS core in. Thanks to my boy Chupo. Props to my boy Chupo there. We got the rears all put together. I'm gonna have to, since we're doing, that's what I was explaining to you guys now. Since we're doing the 8.8, I'm gonna have to take this apart and put new hubs in. Even though I just put new hubs and bearings, I'm gonna have to redo that for the upgraded billet hubs for the 8.8 kit. All the arrows in, the bumper's still loose. That's why you see this gap here. But fitment is on point. The TRD wing is on point, carbon fiber. Here's a shot of the back. Sexy ass of a Supra. It's probably the nicest fucking ass there is. We got the HKS carbon TI in. Bottom of the car is looking brand new. It's looking crazy good. I don't know why this floor mat is down here. It's looking awesome. Everything under the car is brand new. All new hardware, new bolts. I went through every single thing, wire brushed it, cleaned it up with the help of my brother-in-law, Oscar. And we got it all in. We did all that Mexican work. Got all that done. So today I'm just gonna be putting in the skirts on the other side I gotta put in the skirt here, the rear valence in the back. You see the difference, it's crazy the way it looks. We got all new moldings in the car, still has the plastic on it, yes. Everybody's dying to peel that off. Not gonna happen, not gonna happen. Look at that, yes. Hugo, you're not gonna pull that off, you son of a bitch. Looking great. So the plan is to get the drivetrain in, the motor in. So let's explain the drivetrain. So we did a CD009 off of 350Z. This is not the 008, but the 009. I know there's a better one than this, but this one's good. These are strong. We got the 8.8 off the Ford Explorer with an aluminum case. It's crazy how light it is. Couldn't believe that. So then basically we're gonna do the billet adapter plate for the factory automatic Supra J1 bell housing. So I'm excited about that. I don't have to be worried about breaking shit. And see, this is the valence for the rear. All this is factory Toyota parts. It fits so good. Never have any problems with it. Let's check out the motor. Oh, the 240, it's another video. We gotta put the motor in there. Let's check out the motor. So the motor's basically ready. I just gotta get the manifold coated, get the turbine housing coated. I'm gonna smooth it out too, because these come really grainy. So I'm gonna smooth it out, get it coated. Everybody's gonna ask me how I got it so nice. I gotta get, well, we already got the order going for all the sensors, the injectors, and all the other shit. I need to finish dressing this up and dropping it in the car. So then once we drop that in the car, we're just gonna take it to get wired, and it should be ready to go. So stay tuned. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notifications bell, share with your friends, so more people can check out the build. There's a lot of good stuff going on here that hasn't been shared. So stay tuned, stay tuned. I'm super excited to get all this in, because now I can do lots of burnouts and do stupid shit, and I don't have to worry about breaking expensive stuff like with this car. This car is a V160 get rag transmission. It's got the 6-speed big diff. Drivetrain on that car is crazy expensive, so we don't want to mess that up. So we're trying to upgrade to the new cheap stuff.